Hello everyone, today in this video I will show you how to set a new mail alert notification sound in iPhone 16 Pro Max. So first of all, before watching this video, don't forget to subscribe the channel and also press the bell icon. So let's start the video. First of all, open settings and scroll down and now click on sounds and haptics. And here you can see the option new mail. Click on new mail. And if you want to set a new mail alert notification sound, you can select any notification sound from here. And if you want to select a classic notification sound, then simply click on classic, and here you can select classic notification on your mail alerts. And if you want to never select a notification sound, then go back and simply select none. So this is the way to set a new mail alert notification sound in iPhone 16 Pro Max. Thanks for watching this video.